Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I want to unveil a phenomenal strategy with you guys. Are you a Forex trader? Do you have an idea how the Forex market works? Do you want to be a part of the largest and the most liquid markets in the world? Worth $5.3 trillion on a day of trade. Be a part of my Forex masterclass where I will unveil all the secrets and a particular strategy that will change your life. Doesn't matter how far long you've been trading the Forex market. All you need is just one strategy, not so many strategies, just one strategy. And I tell you, you'll be a phenomenal trader. Even if you have no knowledge about the Forex market, it doesn't require you to know anything about it. I'm going to teach you in 3 days on a particular life-changing strategy that will take you from nothing to become a Forex pro. I tell you, I tell you, all we do as Forex traders is to eat, sleep, and trade. Can you repeat it for me? Eat, sleep, and trade. Be a part of this wonderful Forex trading masterclass. 3-day Forex trading masterclass. And I tell you, you earn 6 figures come 2019. Click the button below and comment. God bless you.